Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, I just want to do another big picture review from my February the 6th plan. 300% gains in difficult market conditions by big picture thinking. And basically, it started with this plan I made on February the 6th. And I guarantee you, a lot of people did not make these great gains. I've made 2 trades in this, but let me show you. This is a great lesson. I want to show you the facts. I want to show you the power. Okay, people, so here we are in the plan. And as you can see, targets 170, 175. Well, the way Apple reversed, you have to learn to what I call adapt. However, let's take a look at these 165 calls. We can look at even the 170s. You see the 170s were $225, and the 165s here were about close to a little under 400, but they confirmed that 400. But let me show you. And again, one great lesson is one of my serious followers had quite a bit in this and held. In fact, the story was he was about he had quite a good, too big of a position in my opinion, but regardless, he had held, and now he's laughing, to the bank, and I'm of course laughing to the bank. This is now my third review of this, but this is a great lesson and a great documentation. Okay, people, so now we see, actually I said a month when reality was about a few weeks. Okay, a few weeks, because what happened was I had to defend it. We were losing about 50% gains on these options, but let's laugh at the reality here. These options are greater than 300% gains. You can see the close at $1,435. Okay, now the 170s is what I did was once Apple was above $170 per option, what I did was I sold my 165 calls and I rolled into the 170s. But simply to demonstrate big picture thinking and where Apple is and the power of my plans, losses are a part of this business. However, when you have a high win rate, like such as the big picture expert, yours truly, Power Trigger Trade Sandro, well, it doesn't really matter. Greater than 300% gains. Take that, stock clown. Telling people to sell at 140. Anyways, people, I decimate, cremate, world record holder. It doesn't end with me, the stories I have to tell. People are blind. I even have. Anyways, I don't want to get into it, people. It just makes me laugh. But Power Trigger Trade, my plans. I've been talking positive about Apple throughout this whole run. Even in these days over here, I gave hints. Power Trigger Trade, and of course my managed people that I manage money where they're smiling to the bank with Apple with me too. Yes, they are. Yes, Power Trigger Trade people. All right, now enough of my gloating. Let me show you some. But anyways, you can see right here, $1,400 now. That's $1,000 on top of what we paid. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, people, here you see it on February the 6th. Apple confirming entry was 4 easy. Now, I told people during February, as was February 9th, these were going against me 50%. But being the big picture expert, let me show you what I did and why I held because of what I said. Because I am, people, the big picture expert. From a 50% measly loss to over 300% gains. Power Trigger Trade, people. That's the lesson I want to tell people. When you follow my system and you're right 80% of the time, we can take losses. See, losses is a part of the success. If you think you're never going to lose money in the market, you're going to miss the big gains. And this is the point I'm trying to make here in this powerful review. It all comes down, people, to February the 9th. And what I said over here. I'm going to rehash this quickly, but basically I explained that if we held above 254, that would be good. But if we got above 259, a super good sign. We should pause the video and read what I said here, but let me just quickly explain. Basically, on February 9th, we closed way above my key pivot point at 259, which meant that the market was going to give us a big, great bounce. And of course, we got a better bounce than I wanted. But the big picture was, that's what big picture thinking and then adapting. Listen, people, adapting to the market. You want a leader who adapts to the market conditions. People are thinking like little donkey day traders. You're never going to be. I'm a billionaire thinker. I want the big bucks. I want to be able to catch. I do combinations of day trade. People have. You want to study my stream. You want to become a serious. Let me show you something, people. Let me show you something now. Let's move on. All right, people. Welcome to Power Trick or Trade. This is where you want to follow my stream, but you want to become. If honestly, to get all my plans, all my great advices, you want to become a Power Group Trades member. Okay. What I'm telling people to do is you listen to this video. It's about 10 minutes. Okay. Listen to it from start to end. Listen carefully. Listen to it a few times. Do what the instructions say, and you can fast track yourself into Power Group Trades easily. But if you're a lazy clown, don't bother. This is for people who want success. I have documented proof, and let me show you something else now. I want to show you. Here's my YouTube channel. Let's go to my YouTube channel right now. You're going to see what happens if you're new. You're going to see a picture of me, video talking of me over here. Power Trick or Trade. This is a great video. By the way, this is a good video to see, by the way. But let me go to my customization of my channel over here. Get rid of this video for now. And again, I made this review of the Apple. Now we're doing the 300% large gains. See, people, even in this video, I said this was going higher. And I'm laughing at the bank with that too. Power Trick or Trade, people. Now listen, people. This created playlist is powerful. Okay, it's a wealth of great information of plans from start to end. You want to study it, okay, people? You want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I do live streams. You want to listen to the big picture expert. You want to become a group member, and you want to study my plans and take action. And remember, people, losing for the right reasons is part of the process. But with a high win rate of over 80% gains and being able to catch big gains, when you follow me and study me, you are going to become more of a champion. I've helped so many people, and I'm going to continue to do a lot of great things. People out there are sleeping at the wheel. And here's an opportunity to have the big picture expert on your side. Just follow the instructions in this video, and now let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like